everyone. This creamy broccoli soup is packed with nutrients, flavor, and super easy to make. And it serves as a very healthy option for people looking for weight loss. Let's see how to make it. I've taken one full broccoli, a medium sized tomato, a few spinach leaves, a few cashew nuts, 7 to 8. Then I've taken one medium sized white onion. You can take red onion as well. I've taken some salt. Yeah, make sure you add white salt as well. Then I've taken mixed herb spices, chili flakes, and garlic paste. Now I'm going to take a pan and I'm going to add some olive oil, around 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon. Then I'm going to add the white onion. I'm not going to overcook it. I'm just going to cook until it gets a little soft. Then I'm going to add the garlic paste. Saute it for a minute. Then I'm going to add the cashews. Make sure you soak the cashews. I did not get time, so I did not soak it. Yes, it is always good to soak the cashews. I'm going to add the tomatoes. I'm going to cook until the tomatoes get soft. Then I'm going to add the broccoli. I've cut it into small florets. This is going to be a healthier option as it is low in calories and rich in nutrients. But make sure you add some proteins to complete the meal. And it is also good for any age group. Yeah, oregano, you have to be like, the people or the women who are lactating, they should avoid oregano. I'm going to add some water, cover it, and cook for 5 to 10 minutes or 8 to 10 minutes. You can see how it looks. There's some water. That's fine. I'm going to add the spinach leaves at this point. Then I'm going to add the salt and the spices. Yes, it is important to maintain the ratio of salt because pink salt has only minerals. It doesn't have iodine. Yes, iodine is very important for thyroid functioning. So make sure you take the ratio of salt into 2:1 ratio. That is 2 parts of pink salt and 1 part of white salt. This is how it looks after 2 minutes. Then I'm going to transfer the contents into a plate. Once it is cooled, I'm going to transfer into a jar and blend it into a creamy paste or a fine paste. If you want, you can add some water, but I'm not adding water as it already has some water. This is how it looks. Doesn't this look creamy? Yeah. Now I'm going to add some butter. Then I'm going to add a few more spices. These are of choice. I'm going to add turmeric. I'm going to add a pinch of pepper. Pepper is very important whenever you add turmeric, as it is important for the absorption of curcumin present in turmeric. I'm going to add 1/3 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, a little more white salt, or the ratio as I said. Then I'm going to add the broccoli paste that I had blended. You can see how creamy it looks. Yes, if you want to make it more creamy, you can add oats flour, and if you're sensitive to gluten, you can add buckwheat or some buckwheat flour. See how it looks. I've added some water to it to set the consistency. Yeah. And I'm going to wait for 2 minutes until it comes to a boil. Yes, it is ready. It looks so fresh and delicious. I'm going to add the lemon juice. It is always good to add lemon as it enhances the absorption of non-heme iron present in the vegetarian sources. Make sure you add lemon juice. Thank you. Stay tuned for more such recipes like broccoli pancakes,